Books on shelf and blocks in line. Everything looks neat and fine. Sweep the floor and wipe it clean, shiny like a tree. Working together side by side, Cleanville Zone thrive. Working together side by side. All done now, shout hooray! Clean room ready for play.